What?
Happy birthday, Lali! I want to make a wish. I wish.
Oh, yes!
Yes! Oh, and I made a wish list. And first on the list is an outfit. Then let's get started. Amazing, let's go. I'm about to show you the coolest life hack. So, what do you think? Great idea, let's try it out. We'll need pink and blue garbage bags. We cut them into rectangles that are as long as the dress will be. Oh, I'm gonna be a total TikTok star! Hold on, stand up. What are we doing? We put on the first layer, gather it at the waist, and tie it with an elastic band. This is turning out so cool! We repeat the same with the second, third, and fourth layers. LaLiLu, I can't see anything! Let's fix that right now. Wow, it's such a puffy dress.
Thank you.
Ah! Gotcha. So uncomfortable. Okay, I think we need to trim it a little. That's so much better. Yes! Now you can even see my awesome sneakers. But we still need to swap the top. We'll make one from the bags too, just like the skirt. I love spinning around in it. Wow, Lali, you look like a real ballerina. That's it, LaLiLu. I'm gonna be a ballerina, but I need more bling. My favorite glitter. LaLiLu, can you help? I can't reach. I brought you a ladder. Perfect timing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jumping! Let me help you get down. Wow, I'm literally glowing. The only thing missing is rhinestones. Now that's more like it.
Wow.
My look is literally slaying. Lali's outfit is done. LaLiLu, you forgot the perfume. That's the finishing touch. $1 million sent. Oh, I'm getting a call. Be right back. Hey, friends. You're all invited to my birthday party. Come on over. It's gonna be amazing. Thanks for the invite, Lali. Oh no, where are all the gifts? How are we going to congratulate Lali? LaLiLu, can you help us? Okay, let's see what we can do. We'll craft Lali some awesome sneakers. I've already got everything we need ready. We'll need the sneakers themselves and cover the heel panels with strips of it. Then cover the sole with plastic. Secure it in place and move on to the crayons. We're going to melt them. So let's remove the paper wrappers first. Break the crayons and toss them into the glass. Melt them down to liquid. And pour over the sole. Do the same with different colors, creating a bright rainbow platform. Carefully remove the plastic and trim the edges. We'll also swap out the laces. Make new ones from thin-colored ribbon. Wrap the ends with tape and lace up our sneakers. One with blue ribbon, the other with pink. And here they are, our gorgeous bright sneakers. Since this is a gift, we put them in a gift box and tie a beautiful bow. Here you go, girls. Your gift is ready. We can check this one off too. How can we ever repay you? Well, you could sing for me. Bravo! I'm officially a fan. Okay, we're running. Don't want to be late. Happy birthday, Lali. We've got something special for you. Oh, wow. Is this for me? I want to open it quick. Oh my gosh, these sneakers are goated. Obsessed. LaLiLu, let's try them on right now. Absolutely slay. Thank you, girls. You're literally the best. Wait, do they draw? You can try. LaLiLu, look what I wrote. Subscribe to our channel if you're loving this video. The next item on our checklist, the piñata. We'll need 2 pieces of cardboard. Creating a heart-shaped box. Fill it with lots of paper hearts and plastic ones. Pour in pink glitter and close our box. LaLiLu, let me help you. No peeking, Lali is a surprise. And cover our box with the fringe. This pink is a total Lali's vibe. Oh wow, that looks so cool. Can't come in here. I'm actually just here for the glitter. Here, take it and go. Fine, I'm leaving. Now let's add some decoration. Take a butterfly drawing and place holographic film over it. Trace the outline with pink hot glue. Cut out the butterfly wings, attach them to both sides, and hang our piñata on a string. I can't see anything. Add some rhinestones too. Add rhinestones to the wings and a little crown on top. Lali's piñata is ready. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's absolutely adorable. Lali! I'm already here. Let's blindfold you so it's the real deal. Here's the bat. Where? Oh, got it. I'm ready. Let's go. Oof, watch out!
Move back!
Wait, the piñata is over here. Yes! There we go! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun! Yay, glitter! LaLiLu, what's next on the checklist?
A pet. What should we pick? Oh, this one is so cute. And so is this one. Oh, let me think. Oh, this one is perfect.
Let's find a body for it.
No head, but that's okay. We'll sculpt one from clay.
Pinch off a small piece, roll it into a ball, and shape it into a heart. Color the rest of the body pink with acrylic paint. Cover it in pink faux fur and shape the ears. The eyes need special attention. Apply a little nail polish to a printout, sprinkle on blue glitter, and dry it under UV light. Cut out our little eyes and glue them onto the toy. Add a clay nose, and now the tail. We'll make it from wire. Twist it in half, wrap it in pink faux fur, and attach it to the back. Add the final details, and now we can pack our little kitty in a box. Now it's perfect. Tie a beautiful bow, and it's done. Lali! Lali!
What is it, LaLiLu?
I have a surprise for you.
Can I open it, can I?
Of course, let me help you.
Wow, it's a kitten. Oh, what a cutie. Come here, little one. This is literally the best gift I have ever gotten in my entire life.
Lali, can I see?
So adorable. Oh, wait, LaLiLu, what's its name?
You get to come up with the name yourself.
I'm calling him Lou. And I even have a collar for him.
Aw, that's so sweet, Lali.
LaLiLu, I prepared a dance. Phew, I'm actually kind of tired now. LaLiLu, do we have anything to snack on?
There was pizza on the table.
Oh no, now we have no food at all. Oh, but it's not your fault, Lou. You were just hungry like me. LaLiLu, can we make more pizza?
Let's go to the kitchen.
Need to call Mario. He cooks like a pro. Hello? Can you make us some pizza?
I'm sorry, I'm very busy.
What are we gonna do?
Let's make it ourselves. For the dough, we'll need flour and salt.
I'll help.
Pour in the flour and salt and mix everything together well. Now we need to add water.
I've got it. Add the water and knead the dough. Done. LaLiLu, what's next?
Let's tint it pink. Squeeze in a little paint and work it into the dough. Shape it into a ball and start rolling it out.
Me.
Roll out our dough and shape it into a heart.
Oh no, I think we're out of ketchup.
We'll make the sauce base from the same pink paint.
Now cheese.
Add mozzarella from white foam.
So delicious.
Make sure there's enough left for the pizza. Now sprinkle hard cheese from an eraser on top.
I'll slice it.
Great, our pizza is almost ready.
There's not quite enough cheese. I don't think anyone's watching. Let me add more.
Isn't that a bit too much cheese?
It's the perfect amount. I'll go put it in the oven. I loved cooking so much. Maybe I should become a chef. When is it gonna be ready?
While you wait for the pizza, you can finish decorating the birthday cake.
Good thinking. It definitely needs more bling. Oh, the pizza's done. LaLiLu, do we have a box?
Of course, go ahead and put it in.
Okay, I'm off. Pizza's here. Everyone dig in.
Did she say pizza? Smells amazing. Chef's kiss.
Excuse me, everyone move aside a little. Ooh, a pizza. And 4 cheeses, my favorite.
Actually, it's 10 cheeses.
A bellissimo. Pizza is absolutely fire.
Let's check that off the list.
Oh, what a fantastic party you have got here. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Good little kitty. Ouch! Let go!
Oh, where did my kitty go?
Somebody help!
Come here, you little sweetheart. Did you get scared?
Actually, he ripped my t-shirt. Look!
I have a vision.
A heart?
Exactly. We'll cover the torn spot with it and no one will ever know.
You know what? I actually love it.
And one final touch. Now you look absolutely irresistible. We want something just as cool, but I don't have any materials left to design with.
Let's check our list. We actually have one item left, the surprise. We'll need some building blocks. Find 2 pieces that fit together. Snap them in place and cut off the studs. Cover the top with a piece of cardboard. That gives us the frame of our sewing machine. Cover it in rhinestones. Add extra details and decorate with stickers. The sewing machine is done.
We'll wrap it up nicely and give it to Lali. And here's your surprise, Lali. We can check it off the list.
Oh wow, a sewing machine! Now I can make everyone happy. First, I'll make a cute vest for Peach.
Wow.
This is for me? Oh, thank you, Lali.
Now let's make a gorgeous accessory for Rosalina.
Yay!
I made this little bag for you, Rosalina.
Wow, it's so chic. Ah, what a belt I've got, a simply magnificent.
And I love my vest.
I'm obsessed with the bag.
I'm gonna be a fashion designer.
And here's the birthday cake. Time to blow out the candles.
Thank you all for being here on my birthday. See you in the next videos.
Bye-bye.